That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic. That black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know, and I'm back with another freaking video. And it's gonna be a Halloween look, as you can tell by the title. Oh, I can't do it. So I already got one of my eyebrows done because all I need in this one is one eyebrow. That's it. And it's not even perfect because I need my eyebrows waxed. But this is the best it's gonna get today. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is take a white pencil and outline my face, kind of like I did on my my heart Halloween one, but it's not gonna be on my cheek. It's gonna be on like this part of my face. I'm just gonna make it small, like right. I'm gonna draw another little squiggly circle right here. Boom, sis, and we're done. So we are gonna be working with liquid latex today. Again, I find myself loving it, but this time I'm gonna use, cause last time y'all watched the last video, I was freaking struggling doing that, and the freaking SFX, the liquid latex destroyed my brush. So I'm going to be using, what is this? Wedge, cosmetic wedge. And again, I'm going to be using the Party City liquid latex. And what I'm going to do is just work in small sections again. And this time I'm going to I'm going to pre-rip my pieces this time. Because last time it was kind of bumpy and lumpy. Like, you know, the more you practice, the better you do your research. You'll come out with different ideas to do your makeup. Disclaimer, don't get this in your eyebrows or your edges. I'm warning you now. I am not a professional. So, yeah. Do this at your own risk. Try to be more. I'm gonna try to use this side so I can actually put it on the line that I drew. It really took me a little minute to do. I'm just going to put concealer on this part for right now. So I'm just going to take a little sponge and just put concealer on my So I didn't do this last time, and you can, hopefully this helps. I don't know, I just thought about putting concealer on it first to kind of make it my skin color, because didn't put my foundation on top, but who knows what will work at this point. You won't know unless you try it. Alright, you guys, so I'm back and I've done my face. I'm finished my face. I tried to do like an orangey red black eye, but we don't know how that works. Tried to put my lash on the right way. Failed because my nails, I couldn't get it close enough. But you know, it's okay because you can't even tell, right, sis? So, now that that's done, we're going to go in with some orange paint. Like, aren't you feeling the Halloween spirit vibes in this thing? Yes. And also, if you already made it this far into the video and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'll wait. Alright, so yes, I'm going to take a cosmetic sponge and I'm going to put orange all over my face. All over my face. Well, in the open part right here. Oh, I'm going to be so mad if this stains my face. I'm going to put some primer on first. Y'all, if y'all want to wear this makeup out or anything, make sure you do it correct. Don't be like me. Do not follow me, okay? Make sure you prime your face. Make sure you set your face. But if you're not, you're just doing this for fun, then this is fine. But I don't want this orange to get stuck to my face. I'll take some primer and just prime my face real fast. And just let that sit. Because, oh, I'm going to be so angry if this color gets stuck to my face. I am not trying to be walking around orange like a motherfucking pumpkin. So what I'm going to do is carve a pumpkin. I don't know how to carve a pumpkin, but I'm going to look at a pumpkin as a reference and do this thing, okay? Alright, so I got my mouth carved out. I don't know what I was doing, but hey, it's carved out, sis. And now I'm just going to carve the rest of the pumpkin using, I'm going to use brown. So I am using the Morphe Second Nature 3502 palette. I'm using the colors Wiz and Muddy and Brunette, maybe. Some black paint, and I'm just going to use that Maybe I should go in the black eyeshadow to fill in this whole part and in my mouth. First of all, I ain't gonna even lie to y'all and say this is a fast look, because it ain't. Your girl been doing this for 2 hours now. And I think it's because of the latex, but still, like, I'm tired. I just want to take it off now. I'm just going over my business. But since we're almost done, you might as well keep going, right? Alright, so I'm going to take some black and outline the little, this part of my face right here. Don't it look good? When I always add some dimension to it, so I'm going to go ahead and take some reddish, brownish, reds and browns and add it to the outside so it can look bruised or what. Alright, so now that you did that, y'all, don't it match my nails? Okay, so now that you did that, it's time for the best part. It's time for the blood. I know you thought that it wasn't gonna be blood, but it is gonna be blood. Sitting in. It's supposed to, because I have to, like, my face is peeling off.
Oh, like your face peeling off.
It could. I don't like that paint. That's crazy.
Yeah, I see it. But look at me. Well, I thought I was for some reason I thought it was hard.
This is the look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it already to the end, if you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And I think this is going to be the last Halloween look that I do. I'm not sure yet. Depends if I have so much time. But this is it. It turned out cute. I need to stop being so cheap. I should have got a better paint because, hold on, let me zoom in. As you can see, it's cracking. It's cracking already. So y'all, make sure you buy quality paint and things like that. Okay. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.